So, ladies and gentlemen, if you just like to watch your back in the side paddock until the next coming out. It's a big old bus.
I pressed the power button instead.
That's the last line.
Oh, I think that's come up back there. Can you come back? Oh, now I got the
It's a really collaborative one for myself. It's great.
What? Yeah, that is end of day. Mark's car not fixed or kind of fixed, but at least it's got Ben didn't crash.
No, I nearly crashed.
Yeah, I know. Should we inspect the McLaren? Gumball shells it. Mate, I could go around this thing and find so many panel gaps.
Play on that. Oh, that's hideous.
With the water inside. No, do you know what that is? That was an eBay
That's
yeah, that's it. It comes factory like that. Comes factory with a door. Oh wait, what door is it? Open that door and it's rubbing. We know where we're going.
See you next week, Matt.